Assalamu alaikum dear viewers. I have a washing machine 11 kg. Yeah, this is the model and brain is sharp brain. Yeah, customer has called me, it's error. Let's see. Press the power button. Yeah, see, it's E2. This error code is E2. Yeah, so if E2 there is a water sensor. Yeah, E2 error code. So remove the back cover. This is the water sensor. So its problem is the water sensor. Yeah, I have new water sensor. I'll change it and after that video will be back. Okay dear viewers, I have changed this. So let's see how is it. Let me close the back cover, then I'll test it. Yeah, press the power button, start button. Yeah, alhamdulillah, so it's spinning. Yeah, so there is no more error code. Yeah, it's working fine. So if you see E2 error code, you just change the water sensor. Yeah, water switching. So yeah, so video has been successful. Just change by water sensor. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.